Škoda's story begins in 1905 when Lauren and Clement built simple but reliable vehicles that laid the foundation for a lasting automotive legacy. Through the early 20th century, Škoda evolved from handcrafted cars into a respected European manufacturer. After World War II, the brand focused on practicality and durability, creating affordable cars for everyday people. Models like the Škoda Octavia and Favorite became symbols of reliability across generations. The modern era marked a turning point. With advanced engineering, new platforms and bold design language, Škoda transformed into a global brand. Cars like the superb Fabia and Kodiaq combined comfort, technology and performance. By 2030, Škoda embraces electrification, smart mobility and sustainable design, proving that a brand rooted in history can still drive confidently into the future.
Miss Annabella, shake that thing, yeah, Donna, Jody and Rebecca. Shake that thing, Miss, can I shake that thing, Miss Annabella, shake that thing, yeah, Donna, Jody and Rebecca. Shake, can I shake, Annabella, shake, can I shake, Annabella, shake, can I shake, Annabella, shake. Girl, nobody can tell you nothing 'cause you don't know your destiny. Yo, sexy ladies want war with us. You know they care with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next with us, them not vex with us. From the day my bond, I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, till I earn them on. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Girl, shake that thing, miss, can I shake that thing, miss, Annabella, shake that thing, yeah, Donna, Jody and Rebecca. Shake that thing, miss, can I shake that thing, miss, Annabella, shake that thing, yeah, Donna, Jody and Rebecca. Shake, can I shake, Annabella, shake, can I shake, Annabella, shake, can I shake, Annabella, Rebecca, come on, get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it, get jiggy. Get pumped up, percolate.